A video you have that goes viral, there's something in that video that most people like. And put that video in front of everybody, that's mean you have a high chance of getting more subscribers, of getting more people to come and watch your videos. Is that ever happened to you? You met a girl, so excited, do the best you can to impress that girl. And hopefully asking her out on a date. And this happened. 2 minutes after she left, and we realized you didn't have her name, even get her phone number. The question is, should you create a YouTube channel trailer or not? If you go on YouTube looking for how to create a YouTube channel trailer or should you create a YouTube channel trailer, you will find a lot of people telling you, yes, you have to create one, but here how you should do it. Tell the viewer what your channel is about. Who are you? Who your content is for? What your viewer will get on your channel. Example of content that you're creating. Be yourself and make sure your YouTube channel trailer is 2 to 3 minutes or even 5 minutes sometimes. Is that how you impress someone? Well, the first time you meet someone, you don't ask them to marry you. Is that what you do? No. For sure. The first time you meet someone, before you even ask her name, you don't ask to go out on a date with you. That person will see that you're crazy. And of course, yes, you're crazy. So I will show you exactly what to do and how to do it to make sure your viewer, which is that girl you just met, can interest in you and what you provide. In that way, the person can create a friendship that's mean get a subscribe from that person and hopefully make that person your potential customer or have the person buy from you whatever you're selling on your channel. It is not easy. I know. It took me a long time to realize that because I used to use all the advice that the gurus give out there. When I go on YouTube, when I need something, I go and search, and none of them work. Why? Most of people, they create their content. It's not based on their experience. They create content, they go on YouTube, get idea, and then create a video. I don't tell you that all the people on YouTube, that's what they do, but a lot of them. Some people on YouTube, they are real expert. They know their thing. They know what they're talking about. Some, they just go on YouTube, get idea, and go on ChatGPT or Gemini, ask them to create a script for them, and they just come and read the script. If it's for the first time you're on YouTube, you don't have a lot of subscribers yet, you don't have a lot of videos on YouTube, you don't have any videos ranking on YouTube, you don't need a YouTube trailer. Absolutely not. You don't need it. Why you don't need it? It's not important. Nobody care. Nobody care about your channel. Nobody care about what you will say on your channel. Nobody care except if you can offer something to that person. There's one thing that is important on YouTube, which is catching people's attention. You will need to do your best to catch that person's attention. And you have 3 seconds to do that. Only 3 seconds. In the first 3 seconds, if you cannot catch that person's attention, that's mean it's the girl that you met and then hopefully to ask her out on a date and then that person left and you forgot to catch her name or her phone number. So there's no way to reconnect with that person. And I was reading a book this morning. And the book says you have to make sure you stop that person from scrolling because as soon as the person passes you, it will click on somebody else's video. You have to stop that person at your video. So how do you do that? First, you will need a very interesting headline and a good thumbnail. And as soon as you have that, you have enough to catch that person's attention. And what you will need to do next is create the best piece of content that you can. Have in mind that piece of content is what you're going to use for your channel trailer. But you're not going to post it as a channel trailer yet because you don't know if it's going to work. So how do you know if it's work? Post it on your YouTube channel. If that video goes viral, that you will need to use as your YouTube channel trailer. If you already have a lot of videos on your YouTube channel and you have videos that are ranking, you don't need to go and create another channel trailer and to tell people this is who you are, this is what your content is for, this is what the viewer will get from you. Give example of your content and make your trailer 3 or 4 minutes, that's not matter. People don't care about that. A video you have that goes viral, there's something in that video that most people like. And put that video in front of everybody, that's mean you have a high chance of getting more subscribers, of getting more people to come and watch your videos. What you should do? Do not tell people, hi, my name is, because nobody cares. Do not tell people, hey, my video is going to help you with, nobody care. Don't tell your viewer, oh, this is what you're going to get from me, and I'm going to give you $10,000 or $1 million. Nobody care. All they care is what they get. They care about what they can get or what they want. What do they want from you? You don't tell them what you can give. They tell you what they want. So if the viewer don't tell you what they want, there's no way you can please that viewer. Let's say you have a YouTube video that's went viral. That's mean your viewer already tell you this is what kind of video they want to watch. And this is the kind of video you want to put in front of them because that's what they want, not what you want to give. And if you think YouTube is what you want to give, I'm sorry for you. You're making a big mistake. It's what they want from you. So, should you create a YouTube channel trailer? No, you don't have to. Just make sure you create videos that can catch and retain people's attention. And when you find one that can go viral, that's your YouTube trailer. Most people might click because you have a good headline because you have a good thumbnail, but they won't watch the video because it's not your potential client, it's not your potential viewer. So that's why you have to put the most interesting video that people want to watch. And if you do that, you will see your video will be sky high. So don't waste your time telling people who are you. Don't waste your time telling people what you can do for them. Don't waste your time telling people that you have a PhD or you went to Harvard University or you have all those kind of money. That's what most of the people on the internet, that's what they do. So if you want them to watch your video, if you want them to subscribe to your channel, you have to be different. Give them exactly what they want. I have a lot of YouTube channels, and most of my YouTube channel, I was trying to give people what I want to give them. And I made thousands of videos. The only video that went viral on my channel is one video that has 1,000 views out of 1,000 videos. So I think because I'm good at something, I can force people to learn that this is wrong. That's not what people on YouTube there for. They on YouTube for what they want, not what you want to give them. So make sure you create your content according what your people want. That's why in the beginning you will need to create a lot of videos. It's good. Stay on your niche. Focus on your niche. But you will need to create a lot of videos. And hopefully one of your videos will go viral. That will be your channel trailer.